Welcome to Part 4. And I'm praying that in this particular chapter or part, you and I will learn specifically what God is saying about competing or moving faster than God Himself. Let's read Genesis chapter 30, and I'll take it from verse 1. And when Raquel saw that she bare Jacob no children, Raquel envied her sister and said unto Jacob, Give me children, or else I'll die. And Jacob's anger was kindled against Raquel, and he said, Am I God's stead, who had withheld thee from the fruit of the womb? And she said, Behold, my maid Bilhah, go in unto her, and she shall bear unto thee upon my knees, and she shall bear upon my knees, that I may also have children by her. And she gave him Bilhah and her handmaid to wife, and Jacob went in unto her. Mistakes, competition. I've been a little bit taken aback because when I have a message that is quite heavy, and the best way I could express myself more is by writing, and I have to do a video or I have to write it very short because of our attention span these days, it makes me weak because it's so much to say but little time, little space to say them. So I'm just going to try as much as possible to express this as God intends us to hear it. The competition that this sister of ours, who is called Raquel or Rachel, the competition or whatever she's doing, did it start from her? Do we remember Abraham? We talked about Abraham when we started the set time, and that's where God picked us from. It talked about Abraham and said that Abraham was impatient too. Maybe not him, but his wife. And the wife, out of her impatience, just said, Hello, go in with my own slave or my own maid. And the same thing is what Raquel is doing. But we forget that there is a reason why God intends some things to come from a particular lineage. When we help God to push things to happen, we are not destroying just our own lineage. We're not just destroying our own name, but we are going into generations. Let's be careful what we do this year.